Hi, Alistair. It's great to hear that Scotmas Group is gearing up to go through a technical consultancy project with the Scout team. Can you just briefly explain what you hope to get out of this process?
We've worked very hard with academics throughout Scotland, both at Strathclyde and Robert Gordon University, to help develop a new process for water treatment. The biggest challenge that we have is now scaling that up to a commercial proposition that we can manufacture in-house here on our site at Kelso. So we're really hoping to translate what we've learned in the lab into something that we can apply effectively commercially here at Kelso.
Well, you've definitely come to the right places. That is exactly the kind of support that we aim to offer through the programme. So for the benefit of other Scottish SMEs, can you tell us how your involvement with the Scout project came about?
Yes, we were initially referred from Interface, who we work with very closely on our academic collaborations, and we were made aware of just the limitations of what could be done within the academic environment. It's been fantastic for us to do our basic R&D, but to then take it up to a sort of higher TRL, technology readiness level of 8 or 9, it was necessary for us to try and work a little bit more closely on scaled up systems, and that's what we intend to do as part of the project.
It's great that we managed to come together in this way and that we're now progressing to the next stages of engagement. So can you tell us a little bit more about your company and what it is that you do?
Well, we're a small family business. We employ 55 people here in the rural south of Scotland, but we operate internationally. The major part of our business is manufacturing water treatment and disinfectant products. So as you'll probably understand, we've been quite busy over the past year, but it has given us time also to focus on the next stages of our development. We've developed a new innovation which allows water to be disinfected without the risk of disinfection byproducts. So, for example, when you add chlorine to drinking water and you get a very bad taste as a result, that's not actually the chlorine you're tasting, but that's some of the byproducts from the reaction of the chlorine. And we've developed a method to eliminate that and to make better tasting, safer water.
That's some fantastic services and offerings, and it certainly sounds like you've got plenty to keep you all busy. So finally, Alistair, to anyone out there thinking about connecting with the Scout team, what would your advice be?
There's a wealth of support available, and a number of challenges that when I speak to other business owners, there's a number of great ideas that are out there within the SME community that just haven't been able to take forward because of either lack of equipment or lack of that key bit of knowledge to try and take that forward in some specialist area like electronics or mechanical engineering. SME business owners, I know because I've been there, you're doing the knitting, you're doing the day job, and it's a fantastic opportunity that's been afforded to us here in Scotland through Scout and the wider NMIS network to bring your problems to the table and have some real brain power look at it and try and help you go forward. So there's nothing to lose. Pick up the phone and get in touch.
Thanks again, Alistair. It's been really fascinating finding out more about your company and discussing the ways in which we can continue to work together. And I look forward to building on that relationship into our continued collaboration. So thanks again.
Thank you.